Hello my friends, this is Hot Pot Bob here, back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make some fantastic fried chicken wings, Chinese takeout style. The flavors are marinated into the meat and is so tasty, you may never use another chicken wing recipe again. It's also easy to make and takes around 30 minutes or so to prepare and fry. Now before we get started, if you haven't already done so, please make sure to subscribe to this channel right now, so I can continue posting more food videos for you in the near future. Let's go! Okay, let's start off with 3 pounds of chicken wings. Look how nice and meaty this looks. I'll post the recipe in the description below. Some of the ingredients you're gonna need: 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, 4 teaspoons of black pepper, 4 teaspoons of chicken powder. Now you can get this at any Asian grocery store. Look for the brand with the cartoon chicken on it. In my opinion, that is the best brand out there. Next, you're going to put in 4 teaspoons of light, less sodium soy sauce. And then 4 teaspoons of rice cooking wine. Any brand will do. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then crack 2 eggs. Also, I added 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce. I did not have it in this video, but make sure you add 4 tablespoons of oyster sauce. 1 whole garlic. Dice it up like so. Now, this is how I peel and cut up my garlic. As you know, a lot of Chinese cooking, we use a lot of garlic. If you have a better or more efficient way of cutting up garlic, please share in the comment below. I would love to hear what tips and tricks you may have. Now it's time to mix it all up. You notice that every time I do a cooking video, I always wear gloves. My recommendation for all of you is to purchase some disposable gloves. Have it ready at all times. Very convenient to use. You can also dispose of it right after you use it. Now I'm going to add half a cup of cornstarch. The cornstarch will seal in all the great flavors and also keep the chicken wings moist after frying. Thoroughly mix everything together. Next, I'm going to transfer it into a container with the lid, seal, and refrigerate overnight to let all the great flavors seep into the meat. We will fry the chicken wings the next day. Okay, the next day is here. My, how time flies when you're having fun. I am going to now chop up some veggies. I'll start off with 1 jalapeno pepper to give it a little kick. Make sure to remove the seeds. After I cut up the jalapenos, I'm going to also cut up 2 mini yellow peppers and 2 mini red peppers. Same thing with these 2 peppers. Remove the seeds. Now, Dice it all up and place on a plate. You can obviously leave out the peppers when you use this recipe. I personally loved adding some veggies to give it some added flavor, add some color and personality to the wings, and to also feel better about myself since I won't only be eating fried food. Next, I'm gonna fry the peppers. Take out your handy dandy wok, turn it on high heat, and wait until the wok is hot enough. Add around 2 tablespoons of veggie oil. Remember, it's important to make sure your wok is hot enough before cooking to prevent food from sticking. Add the peppers and stir fry for a couple minutes. Now let's listen to the sizzling of the wok for a few seconds as I cook these peppers. I don't know about you, but I love the sound of cooking on a wok. So satisfying. Alright, I transfer the cooked peppers into a bowl to fry later. Now let's take out the chicken wings that was marinated in the fridge overnight. Mix it up a little bit. We are going to deep fry it next. Now let's prepare the coating. Grab a pan or container like I have here. Put in 3 cups of flour and 1 tablespoon of seasoned salt. That's it. Mix well. And let's get ready to fry the wings. Okay, it's fry time. Heat up your wok and add about 6 cups of veggie oil. You can use corn oil if you want. We're going to have it heat up to about 350 degrees or so. For those of you who have not seen my prior videos on how to check the oil for readiness, if you don't have a frying thermometer, simply place a chopstick into the oil. And if you see rolling bubbles, then it is pretty much ready to fry. Alright, let me show you the setup I have here. On the left hand side is the marinated chicken wings. To the right of that, I have the coating mixture comprised of simply flour and seasoned salt. Behind it, I have a metal bowl along with a strainer where I'll be placing the cooked wings. I have a combination of wingette and drumettes. I don't use the tip. I am going to fry the wingette first, and then after that, I am going to fry the drumettes. It's important to thoroughly coat each chicken wing. Slowly drop each wing onto the sides of the wok to prevent from splashing. Remember, safety first. How do I know how long to fry them? A simple rule of thumb for chicken wings is they are fully cooked when they turn golden brown and also floats to the top. Easy! Look how beautifully brown this chicken wing is. It's just about ready. We're almost done. Alright, we are in the stretch run. What I also do is use the minced garlic that was used to marinate the chicken wings by running the mixture over water and straining. Add the strained garlic to the cooked peppers. Add about 2 tablespoons of oil and stir fry. Now toss the cooked chicken wings in with the peppers. Smells wonderful. Look at how beautiful it looks. Now the moment of truth. We have our own Gordon Ramsay in the house. She's my wife. She's a tough critic of my cooking. If she doesn't like something, she'll definitely tell me. Fingers crossed. And the verdict is... thumbs up! She likes it! Woohoo! I live to cook another day. Haha. I surely hope you all enjoyed watching this video on how to make Chinese fried chicken wings. If you haven't already done so, please make sure to subscribe to this channel so I can continue posting more food videos. Smash the like button and hit the bell for notifications. See you all very soon. Bye.